Hey everyone, this is Don Teague, and I want to talk to you about the foreign exchange market. What? You don't know what the foreign exchange market is? That's okay. A couple of months ago, I didn't know either. However, I have found a great educational and earning platform, I can't talk, that has taught me a lot about foreign exchange, and I want to share it with you. Now, by the end of this video, you'll have a basic idea about the foreign exchange market and how you can get started learning about it today. Well, first, what is the foreign exchange market, or Forex for short? It's the trading of one currency for another. It's a very large market with over $5.3 trillion traded per day. You can control how much of your money you are willing to risk on each trade and trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So how did I learn about Forex? I was introduced to iMarketsLive, or IML. Now, IML is an education and software provider that teaches you about Forex and gives you the tools to help you earn in an automated fashion, should you choose to do so. All of their services are in-house and they do not use any third-party utilities or services. Also, all of their advertising is done word of mouth. That means if you want to also take part in the network marketing aspect, you can do that as well. First, let's talk about the items you get with your monthly subscription to IML. The first one is IML Academy. Now, there are over 50 courses at all levels that show you and teach you the Forex market and how to trade. And the last time I ran the numbers, which was a couple of weeks ago from the date of this video, there were over 21 hours of education right there. A lot of the courses are also closed captioned in Spanish as well. Next is IML TV. There are sessions being held 7 days a week. You have live sessions during parts of the New York and London sessions, as well as technical analysis and more. These sessions are great for learning new ways of looking at the market and continually growing your education. You also get daily swing trades direct from the CEO, Christopher Terry. Now, yes, it says daily, but it's really 2 to 3 times a week. Sometimes you do get a full 3 to 5. However, Christopher puts out a video that shows you the thinking and shows you the analysis and why he believes that things are going to happen the way he indicates. The Harmonic Scanner. Personally, I believe harmonics are one of the best ways to trade the market. You get the IML Harmonic Scanner as part of your monthly subscription. And depending on which broker you use, it's even possible to embed the Harmonic Scanner directly into your desktop version of MetaTrader 4. As you can see in the example here, it shows you at what point the person analyzing the trade thinks it's best to enter, what your stop loss would be, which is how much you're going to lose if they're wrong, and what your take profit points should be. It's also important to note that this as well is privately owned with software they created in-house. Now let's talk about some of the stuff that's a little extra. Mirror trading. Now, mirror trading is where you don't actually enter the trades, they're entered for you. And you can see the past results of the following 2 services I'm going to show you online. Now, it's very important here to note that IML does not charge any fees outside of the monthly subscription service for these trades. So you're not going to get charged per trade as a commission. Now, like I said, IML has 2 types of mirror traders. The first is FX Signals Live. Now, this was the very first one that IML had. And it's designed for longer term growth. There are fewer trades that happen, and they've previously had averages between 2 to 10% per month. Now, past performance does not guarantee future results, but it's nice to see that they've been able to grow accounts in the past. The second is IML Fusion Trader. Now, this is for shorter term growth. It's higher activity, multiple trades per day, and yes, it does carry somewhat of a higher risk because of those multiple trades per day, But just like FX signals, you can control how large or how small these trades are so that you can adjust your risk level accordingly. Now let's talk about some of the stuff that's just a little extra per month. SwipeTrades. Now, SwipeTrades is an app that you load onto your phone. When a trade comes out, you swipe to see the trade details. I always tell this to people. Just because you get a swipe trade doesn't mean you have to take it. Always look at the trade and see if it makes sense to you. Now, the folks that send out these swipe trades, they also do follow-up, and they'll send you an alert if a trade needs to be closed early, or even remind you, hey, you should move your stop loss up and take a partial profit. Very well done. Very good people. So how do you get started today? Right? You've seen everything. You see the system. How do you get started? Well, visit iml.donteague.com, and I'll leave that up here for a second. And then scroll down the page. You can look at the rest of the site. There's a lot of stuff on there as well. But you're going to see a button down near the bottom that says sign up/start trading. I click on that. When you do, aside from your name and your address and your email, you're going to have two options to pick from. The first will be the IML Platinum package. Now with that, you're going to get the IML Academy, IML TV, IML Harmonic Scanner, and the daily swing trades, all for just $145 a month. Now do note the first month is $195. Now if you wish to add on all 3 additional options right then and there, you can add the Platinum Plus package, which has an initial payment of $235 and is a grand total of $185 per month. So again, all you got to do is go to iml.donteague.com, click on that sign up/start trading button you'll see near the bottom, and you'll be able to sign up. Now, I do have to read you the full risk disclosure that trading contains substantial risk and is not for every investor. An investor could potentially lose all or more than the initial investment. Risk capital is money that can be lost without jeopardizing your financial security or lifestyle, so don't spend the car payment on this. Only risk capital should be used for trading, and only those with sufficient risk capital should consider trading. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So that's all for this particular video. I know you've seen the value in iMarketsLive, and I know you're ready to get started. You can visit iml.donteague.com, click on that sign up start trading button, or you can email me at iml@donteague.com, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.